How to turn off two-step verification in Gmail account? For that, you can directly go to Gmail application on your mobile device. Then you tap on profile at the top right corner of the screen. Once you open the profile, you can easily tap on Google account. Then your Google account page will appear on your screen. Or the second way you can do is just directly head on the Google, and after you are on Google, you can tap on profile and choose the Gmail account or Google account and easily tap on Google account. So this will take you to the same page. After you are on this page, you can go to security by scrolling. So once you're on the security, you need to scroll down and you have to open two-step verification. Once you have done that, you need to tap on turn off two-step verification button. Now tap on turn off button. So this will remove the extra security on your account. So two-step verification has been turned off successfully. So this is how you can easily turn off two-step verification in Google or the Gmail account. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.